don't know if you can see there, the door kind of comes off its hinges there. So I can't open the door any further. It should actually open further, but it's not pulled out. It doesn't pull out enough. And when you shut it, this is a Liebherr Fridge Freezer. When you shut it, it kind of goes, see, it does that. And then you have to really push it, and it keeps kind of not really shutting properly. There's an actual gap. You can't see it very well on this camera because it's a, so I have to really kind of push it, and it kind of opens still a little bit.